This is a review of the LED desk lamp. The head is adjustable. It also swizzles. It is powered with a USB cable. In this case, I was using my laptop to power it up. It also has another USB port. If you want to charge your phone, you can use that as well. What I really like about it is the adjustable setting of brightness. You can go from low to high with just a slide, or you can just tap it. It also has 5 different settings of light, color light, and on and off is a simple tap like that. We also have some timer if you want to use it. Overall, this is a very nice desk lamp. It doesn't really take too much space. Very adjustable, very easy to use. Overall, this is a very nice one.